Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Sashi E. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I was able to get my feet from this to this. As you guys know by now, I struggle with dry feet. I've always struggled with this. This is something that runs in my family. So I'm always looking for new ways and new ingredients to use in order to get my feet nice and smooth. I decided to try baking soda this time around, you guys, because baking soda is a really inexpensive DIY remedy that is used to exfoliate dead skin and soothe tired feet, you guys. And I believe this did an amazing job. So just stay tuned and see how I was able to transform my feet from crusty and rough to nice and smooth. So first things first, you guys, I do have my foot spa here. I've had this for years. It has great temperature control and it also bubbles. So I'm just adding some water to this foot spa. I added one big giant pot of water, just enough for my feet to be completely covered. After adding the water to my foot spa, I did add a half cup of baking soda to the spa, you guys. And this was perfect for me. I believe you can add less if you want to, but I did choose to add about a half of a cup. So once I added the baking soda, I set my temperature to about 102 degrees. I wanted it to be nice and hot, you guys. And then I also turned on the bubbles. I did allow my feet to soak for about 15 minutes before I started the scrubbing process. All right, guys, so after soaking my feet for about 15 minutes, as you can see, the baking soda did exactly what it is supposed to do. My feet are now ready to be filed down. You can see there's a lot of dead skin that's present on my feet. I did get this file kit from Amazon. I've had it for a few years. I'll link it down below in the description if you guys are interested in getting it. So I use the foot file just to get my feet under control, get them nice and smooth. You can use a pumice stone as well. I have one of those. I use it in the shower whenever I take a shower just to kind of freshen myself up in between when I do these treatments. But yeah, guys, use whatever you want. And then afterwards, as you guys can see, my feet are nice and smooth. This was something simple that I did. It was super relaxing. And, now my feet look how I want them to look. So yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions about anything that I did in today's video, be sure to ask down below. As always, I hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.